Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change your name on Facebook. All right, it's pretty easy to do. First up, open up your Facebook app. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and tap on the three horizontal lines right here at the top right. Tap on it. Now, in here, under settings and privacy, if you can't find it, just go ahead and scroll down below and tap on settings and privacy. Tap on it and there will be a drop down. Now, in the drop down, just tap on your settings. All right, tap on it. And in here, under Meta, Account Setter, tap on your personal details right here. Tap on it. Now tap on your profile. Tap. In here, select the profile which you would like to change the username. For example, here, I only have one logged in account. I'm going to tap on it. And here, as you can see, name is available or username. But as the title suggests, we are going to change our name on Facebook. So we're going to tap the name section right here. Tap on it. Here, as you can see, first name, middle name, and last name. All right. Middle name is not required, but if you want to, you can go ahead and put your middle name right here. All right. For example, I wanted to change my last name to two calls right here. Calls. All right. Then after that, once I'm certain with my new name, I'm just going to hit on review change, right? And Meta will suggest you something like this. Just go ahead and select your preferred one. This is the one that I edited. So I'm just going to hit on save changes. Wait for the app to load. And it says here, name updated successfully. Now, as you can see, under my profile picture, the name has been changed. And if you want to make sure, just go ahead over to your profile, which is right here in the three horizontal lines. Tap on your profile right here, tap on it, and just refresh the Facebook app. And that's basically how you change your name on Facebook. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.